Have you ever looked at a blank wall and felt it needed a soul? Today, we aren't just building decor, we are breathing life into timber. Welcome to Hope Tube. We are diving deep into the mesmerizing world of 3D wood relief sculptures. Whether you are a woodworker looking for a new challenge or an art lover wanting to understand the magic behind these geometric masterpieces, you are in the right place. The philosophy of wood mosaic. At its core, a 3D wood relief is a marriage of mathematics and nature. You take raw, rigid materials, blocks of wood, and transform them into a fluid, tactile experience. It's about creating depth where there was only flat space. When we talk about geometric wood wall art, we are really talking about how light dances across different angles. Selecting your canvas and timber. The quality of your sculpture starts with the wood. For these projects, I recommend softwoods like pine for beginners because they are forgiving and take stain beautifully. The grid, your base must be sturdy. Use high-grade plywood to prevent warping. The cut, uniformity is your best friend. Precision cuts with your table saw are non-negotiable here. Even a millimeter off can disrupt the flow of the entire piece. The art of color and finish. Now, let's talk about color. The beauty of these pieces lies in the contrast. Staining versus painting, using wood stains allows the natural grain to show through, providing an organic feel. Paints, on the other hand, offer bold, modern, and striking visual impacts, much like the vibrant blocks you see in the reference image. Color theory: when you place a deep, cool blue next to a warm, fiery red, you create tension in the art. This tension is exactly what makes the viewer stop and stare. As you glue these individual pieces, it looks like a chaotic puzzle. But then, you step back. You apply that final coat of finish, a satin poly or a natural wax, and suddenly, the depth pops. The shadows fall across the peaks and valleys you've created. It's not just wood anymore, it's a statement piece. It's the kind of art that makes a room feel finished. When you hang this on your wall, you aren't just decorating. You are inviting a conversation into your home. You are telling your guests, I built this, and I put a piece of my vision into every single block. And let's be honest, nothing feels better than that specific kind of pride. Creating these 3D relief sculptures is a journey of patience. It's about the sawdust, the smell of fresh timber, and the quiet satisfaction of seeing a chaotic pile of wood turn into a structured masterpiece. If this video inspired you to pick up a saw and create, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to HopeTube for more deep dives into the world of woodworking and abstract art. Keep building, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.